Human memory is one of the most fascinating evolutionary developments, especially in the case of children, who demonstrate how knowledge can be acquired seemingly easily during play. Understanding memory and learning and emulating similar abilities in technical systems is one major research focus at CITEC. Studying the human brain as the ultimate model of a cognitive system is a prerequisite for gaining a better understanding of the underlying mechanisms of learning processes. However, because of the human brain's enormous complexity, some specialized cognitive abilities are better investigated in simpler organisms. Elephant nose fish use electric impulses for orientation in their habitat. The accessibility and relative simplicity of the fish's brain enables the investigation of complex learned behaviors all the way down to the neuronal level. Similarly, decentralized memory for control of behavior can be studied in seemingly simple stick insects. Analysis of the efficient coordination of their 6 legs is leading to insights into how insect brains represent and adapt complex action sequences. Simulation models are an important tool to test control concepts derived from such findings and to generalize them to broader interaction scenarios. For instance, learning to adapt limb trajectories to the presence of close objects can be connected to the learning behavior of children. Here, Bielefeld researchers are investigating how the environment is used to reduce the complexity of the acquisition of new knowledge.
Der grüne Becher kommt in den blauen. Der gelbe Becher.
This can guide research to implement childlike learning strategies in robots so that they are able to learn from a tutor rather than having to be programmed. A prerequisite for learning in interaction is the ability to identify meaningful actions. Social and communicative behaviors are being further studied in virtual agents like Vince, who can recognize, learn, and use speech and gestures in interaction scenarios with humans.
Ja, richtig.
Learning is also investigated using computational algorithms that manage to find relevance under certain criteria in multidimensional data. This enables automatic recognition of interdependencies in complex datasets. A similar kind of self-learning is needed and indeed implemented in robots. Byron fuses multiple information cues in relation to itself to allow detection of humans and objects in its surroundings. In this way, the robot creates spatial maps of its environment and learns to identify and distinguish people and objects. Its memory associates information in a flexible way,
Bring this to the kitchen.
making the robot an interaction partner that can adapt to his surroundings. CITEC researchers have developed an innovative 360-degree virtual reality device that can aid the rehabilitation of stroke patients. Improving the impaired cognitive abilities of such patients is one application developed by researchers at CITEC, gained from insights into memory and learning.